So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how to download Yandere simulator in 2026 for free on your PC and laptop. So let's get started. In order to do this, you have to open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. For my case, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge, and you have to search for Yandere simulator download. Once you do this, just click on the official website, download Yandere simulator, and you will get to this website. Now scroll down a bit and click on download launcher. Once you click on this will download a Yandere simulator launcher to install Yandere simulator in your PC. Keep in mind that this is an installer, not the whole game you're downloading from here. You have to download the installer first, and from the installer the game would be installed. So after after you click on this will download a zip file. You have to extract the zip file. Just right click on the zip file and you will find an option extract all or extract here. Just click on any button you like. Once the extraction completes, you will find Yandere simulator installer in your same folder. Then just run the launcher, and in the launcher you will find a button saying install. Just click on the install button and sit back and relax. The installer would take a few minutes to install the game in your computer, and once this completes you have to restart your computer one time, and after you restart your PC you have to run the game as administrator. Just right click on the application and select run as administrator. Once you do this, a dialog box would be opened for yes or no. Just click on yes and wait for the game to open. So this is it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.